Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Verizon wireless account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.verizon.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Verizon.com, which looks like this. Click the sign in button at the top right hand corner. This will open up a pop-up. From the pop-up beneath, select register. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see two options. Select one of the service that you'd like to include, and once you click on it, click the continue button. Now, enter your 10-digit mobile number into the text box. If you don't have a mobile number, click on this Don't Have a Mobile Number link. You'll then need to enter your email address. Type in an email address that is available to you and click the Continue button. You'll then receive a link sent on your email address. Open up your email inbox. You'll receive an inbox from Verizon Wireless. Simply click it on and click the Register link in order to finish your registration. Now, go ahead and enter your information and create a password for your account. Type in your greeting name into the first text box and head over to the next field where it says password and create a password for your account. Soon after you enter your password, confirm the password by typing it again in the last text box. Finally, click the Done button at the bottom. Accept to the terms and conditions of Verizon and click on the Continue button. And that way you'll be able to create or sign up for Verizon Wireless right away. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope you learned how to sign up for Verizon Wireless on your computer. Verizon offers mobile broadband internet access service for smartphones, basic phones, tablets, notebooks, USB or fixed modems, and so much more. You can pay your bills, change your plan, add a new line once you've registered for your Verizon Wireless account. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.